Okay guys, I want to quickly show you how much I've made in the last 2 weeks alone from building simple landing pages and designing sales funnels for clients. I want to show you how much I've made, more than $500,000 in the last 2 weeks alone. Alright, so let me show you the proof. Now, this is one of my clients that I got of recent. That is, as you can see the date here. Now, this client agreed to pay me 350,000 naira for designing sales pages for him. Alright, that's one client, that's 350. This other client is paying me close to 400,000 naira to design a website for him. All right, a simple website for him. Then this other client here has paid me agreed to pay me 40,000 naira for designing simple sales page for him. Now if you calculate that amount, as you can see, this guy has paid 196,000 naira, which is 50% of the money. So let's calculate. So let's say 350,000 naira plus 196 plus 196,000 naira plus 196,000 naira plus 40,000 naira. That's 742,000 naira from just 3 clients alone in the last 2 weeks from building simple sales pages, landing pages, and sales funnels. I want to teach you how to do the same. Now, before I continue, let me show you another proof of the amount I've made from designing simple sales pages, landing pages, and all that. As you can see, this is one of my favorite accounts. This account has made more than $10,000 from doing landing pages, sales pages, and sales funnel design for clients all over the world. I'll go to another account, but wait, let me reload so you don't think this is a screenshot or it's fake. I'll reload. As you can see, everything stays the same. All right, I'll go to another account and show you. Go to another account and show you. As you can see, this one has made more than $6,000 from designing simple sales pages, landing pages, and sales funnels. I want to show you how to do the same. Now you have seen proof that this works. Now let me go to my bank account so you see that those transactions were actually real. You don't think they are fake. Now hold on. As you can see, that 196, there are no transactions. Let me see. Hold on, I'm having a network issue here. Okay, like I said, let me show you the transaction in my account. So I'll go to transaction history. Let me just go back to May 1st, filter. So let's see. Go to next. Go to next. Let me see. I want to show you. Okay, so let me see. Deposit. Let me show you. Trying to show you. Okay, as you can see, this is the first payment from that guy, 250 to balance 100k. That's 350k. Then the other guy has sent 196. There's that. Can I see that right now? Okay, so you can see 196 to balance 196. So as you can see, those payments are real. Then if I go, let me see if I will see the other one that sent 30. Okay, and think I'm wasting more time on this. So you've seen proof already, so there's no point in wasting more time. This is one of my clients, as you can see, this is one of my clients that paid 35, that is half payment to balance 35. As you can see, sales page, Fidelis. Okay, so now you have seen proof that I make good money from designing sales funnels, landing pages, and website design. And I want to teach you. Are you interested in learning? If yes, this is what you are going to learn. Now I'll show you how to design sales pages like this. As you can see, they are very brilliant. I'll be showing you how to do amazing stuff like this. In my course, you will learn all these things. You will learn all these things. Okay, so you can see these are the pages I've done for my clients. As you can see, as you can see, as you can see, as you can see, as you can see. So you will learn all these things from me. Take a look. Take a look. As you can see, these are the ones I've done. So you will learn all these things. So this is a particular page I use for the course. So you will learn how to design something like this in the course. As you can see, everything, videos, text, images, colors, and all that we are covered in the course. Okay. Now, if you get access to the course, this is how you study it. Okay, this is how you get access. You can also download, as you can see, you can download the videos right here. Right, so this is the course and all that. Once you make payment right away, you start learning right away. Nothing is no time to waste. And you are also going to get some amazing bonuses from me. You get bonus on how to design one-page website, bonus on how to design e-commerce, you get bonus on email marketing, you get bonus on how to write copies, adverts, and all that. This is the exclusive bonus, and that is what you are going to get. So sales funnel design is a very high-paying skill. I advise you learn it. If you are online business owner, you do affiliate marketing, you do e-commerce, you do any form of online business, you need to learn how to design sales funnels. If you are tired of paying expensive funnel designers, you need to learn how to design sales funnels. If you are looking to learn a high income digital skill, then sales funnel design is recommended for you. I'm doing this because I have a vision to raise 1,000 funnel design specialists by 2023. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. Now my course already has close to 400 students, so you don't think you are the first person that's buying the course. No, as you can see, this is a group, over 197 people here. Now, not everybody who paid are in this group, and some of their accounts have been deleted. So that's for that, about that. So you are rest assured you are getting the best quality. This is the best sales funnel design course you can get from this part of the world right now. I can guarantee that. Okay, so go through the page and get your copy at the huge discount price. Don't waste time, because if you waste time, you might not be able to get in for the price, for the low price again. So see you on the inside. Peace out.